Veterans Day edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We had the sunshine finally break back out across the region yesterday. It's been clear and cool throughout the night. Here's an image from the Banner Elk web camera, courtesy of resortcams.com during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Pretty chilly up there in the mountains, 36 degrees there in Banner Elk. Bit of a north and northwest wind stirring around as well. Here's the Charlotte time lapse by 11 o'clock yesterday morning. Sunshine was out in full force. A lot of sunshine then as we went through the remainder of the afternoon and on into the evening hours. It's been quiet and cool throughout the overnight hours. Quite a contrast to the very, very rainy scenario we've had really quite often thus far through the month of November. Because of the sunshine, temperatures were very pleasant yesterday. Look at these highs across the region, up to 73 in Charlotte, 71 in Fayetteville, 74 in Wilmington, even 77 in Cape Hatteras. There's your Triad area high temperatures, low 70s in many spots. Same deal around the Charlotte area, low and even some folks bumping up in the direction of the mid 70s yesterday afternoon. Here's today's photo of the day. Look at that. That is a beautiful shot from Loretta and Asheboro. Love that picture, and we want to continue to see your great photos. You can email us, ncweather@twcnews.com. Again, 5 o'clock hour temperatures this morning on the cool side. A lot of 40s across the Piedmont. Even one or two folks in the foothills and the cooler Piedmont spots down toward the upper 30s. 50s closer to the coast this morning. Winds now, if they're not calm, they're out of the west and northwest, bringing in some of this cooler air. There's your temperature scheme. Kind of a cool and quiet morning across most of the eastern part of the country. Now notice the warm air bubbling up here in the Plain States in advance of the next storm system. And then behind that, there's your cold air. Look at that. It is 3 degrees in Yellowstone Lake. South Pass at 23. I'll show you the radar back that way in just a moment. Locally, the radar very quiet this morning. A clean scan across the Carolinas. Our previous system still causing some rain up here through the northeastern part of the country as that departs. Look at that. The snow really cranking in parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, and especially Colorado. Look at this. There's a DOT camera from Denver, Colorado. The snow just cranking this morning. They're around Denver. Temperature there 31, wind chill at 21, a snowy Colorado morning. How about that? A sign that we are getting deeper and deeper toward the winter season. Now, this is a pretty prolific storm system over the Plain States today. It's going to be a pretty decent round of severe weather, it appears, associated with that system. Look at the severe weather outlook today and this evening. An enhanced risk of severe storms up here in parts of Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri, and then along the trailing cold front could see some severe storms further to the south as well. Watch the high-resolution modeling really blowing up those thunderstorms as we get deeper into the afternoon hours today. Again, it could be a pretty good round of severe weather back that way. In the meantime, a quiet day, beautiful day around here for Veterans Day with highs in the upper 60s in many spots and plenty of sun. That cold front, in a much weakened state, moves through here tomorrow. A period of some clouds, 1 or 2 showers, a possibility, most of us staying dry. Now, we will see some pretty gusty southwesterly winds tomorrow as that front approaches. You see Futurecast cranking those southwest winds in the 10 to 20 mile per hour range. And it'll be a pretty warm day as that front nears. Look at all the 70s tomorrow. But then the winds kick around out of the northwest. Cool high pressure begins to build throughout the eastern part of the country. Friday's highs shape up like that across the region. And then that chilly high pressure just parks itself overhead as the weekend rolls along. In fact, kind of a meso high situation tends to form early, say, Sunday, Monday, in that time period across the Carolinas. That'll keep some pretty chilly nighttime temperatures in place. Here's what we're going with for forecast lows at this point for Saturday morning, and then there's our forecast for Sunday morning. Let me show you a snapshot from the GFS computer model for Sunday morning from Weatherbell. You notice some 30-degree readings around the Triad, 20s in the mountains, degree or two above freezing in Charlotte. But again, I think low 30s, maybe some upper 20s, a good bet Sunday morning and well down into the 30s for Saturday morning. High temperatures this weekend. There's your Saturday numbers we're going with. Sunday, a few degrees warmer, but still certainly on the cool side. And again, remember, it's going to be sunshine all weekend long. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, tons of sun. Next chance of showers after that little limited shower chance with the front tomorrow, not until probably Wednesday next week. Hey, Hurricane Kate, there it goes, north of Bermuda. Now you look carefully, there's Bermuda right there. So the system passing well north of Bermuda, racing northeast at 40 miles per hour. Kate will continue to race across the North Atlantic Ocean. and with time become a non-tropical type of low heading in the general direction of northwest Europe down the road. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, great Veterans Day, and God bless.